In the previous videos, we discussed what is GP, geometric progression, and how will be the elements in the geometric progression that we discussed, and some more questions also we discussed, and also we discussed the how to calculate the nth term in the case of geometric progression, is it? So the nth term can be calculated, that is an is equals to a into r to the power n minus 1. This is what our required nth term in the form of the GP, where r is the common ratio and a is the first term that we discussed. So now we are going to discuss another one question here. It is, the question here is for what value of x the numbers minus 2 by 7, x comma minus 7 by 2 are in GP. They told that for what values of x, it means you should calculate the x value, here it is, and they told that here it is, these three should be, after calculating the x value, these three should be in the form of GP. So we know that if here it is, since minus 2 by 7 comma x minus 7 by 2 are in GP. So what I am assuming here it is, since these three are, they only told that for what values of x the numbers are in GP, these three numbers should be in the form of GP. So for that reason, what I assumed here is, since these three numbers are must be in the form of GP. So if these three numbers are in the form of GP means, this implies, my dear students, if these three numbers are in the form of GP means, there if you consider any two terms, then the ratio here, the ratio should be same throughout the sequence that we discussed in the class of in the previous videos. That is the definition of the GP. So I told you that GP means what here it is. Example I took here it is 2, 4, 8, 16. This is in the form of the GP. GP means what? The common ratio between any two terms if you take means that should be same throughout the sequence. Say for example 4 divided by 2. What is the ratio? It is 2 1s are 2 2s are 2, and 4 and 8. So that is 8 divided by 4. How much it is? Here it is 4 1s are 4 2s are. It means here it is, the common ratio is 2. Like that, if you take 16 by 8, so 16 by 8 is also 8 1s are 8 2s are. So here it is, the common ratio is 2 throughout this sequence. So therefore we can call the given sequence is here it is GP. Clear? So these three numbers also must be in the form of GP. So therefore what I can, this implies, my dear students, this implies that the ratio of these 2 must be equals to the ratio of these two. So therefore I am using this hint, that is x divided by minus 2 by 7 must be equals to minus 7 by 2 divided by x, because these two ratio and these two numbers ratio should be same according to the GP definition. So therefore simplify this one further, my dear students, you will get the required x value. So simplify this one, just cross multiply, here it is. So here it is x, here it is, see here it is, this x if I shift this side means x into x is x square is equals to, here it is minus 7 by 2 is there into this, also shift this side, so that will become minus 2 by 7. So here it is 2 2 cancels, 7 7 1s are 7 1s also cancels, minus minus plus. So what it implies, this implies x square is equals to minus minus plus 1. So x is equals to, shift this square that side, that is plus or minus square root of 1, and this implies x is equals to plus or minus 1. So this is what our required, here it is, x value. Am I clear, my dear students? So very simple it is. Just you should know the concept of the GP, then you can calculate. Clear? So we'll move to the next question. Please pause the video to note it down. Yes. Now the next question is, write on the question, my dear students. So here it is, in a GP, the third term is 24 and the sixth term is 192. Find the 10th term. So we'll discuss this question. So what is the given to you, my dear students? Please remember, here it is, in a GP, it means geometric progression, the third term is 24. So given that, so the third term we can denote like this, a3 is equals to how much it is? 24. The third term is 24 and the sixth term is a6, that is sixth term is 192. find the 10th term. It means we should calculate the 10th term. Clear? And we know that the nth term of the, here it is, GP can be calculated by using the formula A into R to the power n minus 1. Clear? So my dear students, A3 means what is the, how much it is? A3 means how much it is? A3 here it is. An means A into R to the power n minus 1. Like that, A3 is equals to 24. A3 means how can I write? A3 can be written as A into R to the power 3 minus 1. Here it is. Here n value A3 they given. So therefore substitute n value here it is 3. A3 is equals to A into R to the power 3 minus 1. So therefore A3 is equals to A into R square we can write. Like that, A6 also given to you. And also A6 how to write, my dear students? A6 can be written as A6 is equals to A into R to the power 6 minus 1. So therefore A6 is equals to A into R to the power 5. Clear? So here it is. This can be directly, I'll write here it is. It means then A3 is equals to 24. This implies A into R square is equals to 24. Call this as equation 1. And A6 is nothing but how much it is? A6 is A into R to the power 5 is equals to 192. Call this as equation 2. Now my dear students, subtract, divide equation 2 by 1. So divide equation 2 by 1 we get. So here it is. This implies what is that? Divide is equation 2 divided by equation 1. So A into R to the power 5 divided by A into R square is equals to 192 divided by 24. So here it is. This A cancels. So R to the power 5. So this R square I can write here it is. This is R square and here it is 5 is there. So we will get directly, I'll write R cube is equals to, here it is 24, here it is see 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 6s are 2 6s are. Am I clear? And now here it is, here you can write here it is 4 3 or else you can take here it is 1, here it is, you will get, I think you will get here it is 4 3s are, or else simply will take 2 6s are 2 3s are. Clear? 6, here it is next 3 2s are 3 11s are. I think we did something wrong here. So simplify further, I'll cancel again. So here it is 192 divided by 24. Here it is. So 6 3s are 6 2s are 6 4s are 4 1s are 4 9s are. Clear? So therefore R cube is equals to 9. So R value is equals to, if you take the cube root of 3 means how much it is? R is equals to 3. Am I clear? So therefore here it is it R cube? So here it is, we will get here it is IA into 3 minus 1 is 2, 6 minus 1 is 5. So R, the value of R here it is will be, you will get here it is R square, R cube is there. So R is equals to 3. We will get. So further simplify this one, my dear students. So further if you simplify means you will get here it is, I think you will get here it is 8 you will get, my dear students. Sorry, not 4 1s are, here it is some we did wrong, here it is 4 1s are 4 8s are. So therefore R cube is equals to 8. 4 1s are 4 8s are. So therefore R is equals to, cube root of 8 is 2. So therefore R value is equals to 2. And now what should we should calculate? We should calculate the 10th term. So we know that A10 term, A10 can be calculated according to this formula. Here it is, A10 is equals to A into R to the power n minus 1. Instead of n we have 10 here it is 10 minus 1. So therefore A10 is equals to A into R to the power 9. But we don't know the value of A. So for that reason we should calculate A. To calculate the value of A here, to calculate the A means what, my dear students? A is nothing but the first term. To calculate A, what I'll do? I'll substitute this R value. I'll substitute this R value. Here it is. Put R is equals to 2. In the equation 1, we get the A value we will get. Here it is. So this implies A into 2 whole square is equals to 24. So this implies A into 4 is equals to 24. So this implies A is equals to 24 by 4. So how much it is? 4 ones are 4 6. So therefore A is equals to 6. So substitute, my dear students, here it is. A value we know, here it is. So therefore A10 is equals to, what is the A value here? It is 6 into, what is the R value here? It is 2 to the power 9. So therefore A10 is equals to 6 into, what is 2 to the power 9? If I am correct, 2 to the power 9 is, I think total, if you simplify, means you will get 3072. You will get 3072. This is what our required 10th term. Understood? So like this you should solve. Yes. Now the next question is, my dear students, here it is, find the 20th term of the GP. So how to calculate the 20th term of the GP? Here it is. Again, to calculate this one, here it is, let us take, here it is, A is given to you. A means the first term given to you, that is, here it is 5 by 2. This is given. And they also given R, means indirectly we can, they given the GP, here it is, that we can calculate the ratio R. Here it is. How R can be calculated? Here it is, this term divided by this term, 5 by 4 whole divided by 5 by 2. So this will gives you the ratio R. So this simplify further, 5 by 4 into 5 by 2. If I shift to the numerator, means that will become reverse, 2 by 5. 5 cancels, 2 ones are 2 2s are. So therefore 1 by 2 is your R value. So next, what they ask, my dear students, find the 20th term. So what is the 20th term? What is the formula we have? A20 is equals to, here it is, the formula just only I told you that. Here it is A. What is the formula? An is equals to A into R to the power n minus 1. Like that we should calculate 20th term. So A into R to the power 20 minus 1. So this is equals to, here it is, A into R to the power 19. So this is A 20th term. So therefore A20 is equals to A into R to the power 19. So A20 is equals to, A means first term, that is 5 by 2 into R is nothing but 1 by 2 whole to the power 19. So this can be further written as, my dear students, see here it is. So 5 by 2 into 1 to the power 19 is 1 itself. So 2 to the power 19. So this is equals to 5 into 1 is 5 whole divided by 2 to the power 19, 2 to the power 1. So that is equals to 2 to the power 20. So this is your required 20th term. Like this we can calculate the A20th term. Sometimes they'll ask for 1 mark such type of question. So further, if you have any doubts, you can comment me. I'll reply for that. We'll continue in the next video. Please pause the video to note it down. Thank you.